In this video, I'll show you how to create headers, footers, slides, counters, and overlays in System.io to make your site look more professional and engaging. Start by opening your funnel or page in the drag-and-drop builder. To create a header, drag a section to the top of your page. Add your logo, navigation links, and maybe a call to action button. For the footer, do the same at the bottom of the page. This is the perfect place to add contact info, social links, or a copyright notice. For slides, use the carousel element. Drop it into your page, upload your images or content, and adjust the setting for automatic or manual scrolling. It's a great way to showcase testimonials, offers, or products. To add counters, look for the countdown timer element. Drag it where you want and set the time. This works really well for limited time offers or event registrations because it adds urgency. Finally, overlays or pop-ups can be created inside your funnel. Go to the pop-up settings, design your form or message, and set when it should appear, like on exit intent or after a delay. You can use this to capture leads or promote special deals. That's how you create headers, footers, slides, counters, and overlays in System.io. Subscribe,